pencil. This is a book. This is a pen. This is a board. This is a scissors. This is a glue. This is a ruler. This is an eraser. This is a crayon. This is a compass.